Thank you, Ajit Bhai. Incidentally, he is the trustee of Jamna Bai School, so he is going to bring that there. An alumnus of IIT Bombay and IIM Calcutta, we have amongst us Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, who is currently the MD and CEO of BSE Limited. Best known as the father of modern financial derivatives in India, he was part of the core team of 5 people from IDBI selected to set up the National Stock Exchange, I think sometime around 1993. At BSE, he has been responsible for bringing the fastest trading system in India and revamping the entire Bombay Stock Exchange. He currently serves on the board of various companies and is a member of Board of Governors of IIT Jabalpur. He serves as the chairman of Technology Committee of FMC and is a member of several SEBI and other government and industry body committees. Rated among the top 50 CIOs in the world, he was the president and CIO of Reliance Group. During this period, he was also the CEO of Mumbai Indian, the cricket league team. He is considered as one of the foremost experts in policies, markets, microstructure, information technology, organized retail telecommunication, social issues, cricket, etc. He has been widely awarded by various awards, and recently he was felicitated with the Distinguished Alumni Award by IIT Bombay. With this, may I request Shri Ashish Chauhan to kindly take us through or an insight to BSE. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. First, on behalf of BSE, let me extend a warm welcome to Shri Saurabh Patel, Honorable Minister of Finance and Energy, Government of Gujarat. It's a true honor, sir, to have you at BSE. We are grateful to you for having come here to BSE and spending time with us. We would also like to welcome Shri Ramakant Jha, MD GIFT City, Dipesh and friends. Also, let me extend a warm welcome to Siddharth Bhai, Chairman BSE Broker Forum, Alok Churiwala, Vice Chairman, Ajit Sanghvi, who all of us know, and Ashok Bhai Ajmera. On behalf of Team BSE, I welcome all the members of Government of Gujarat, GIFT City and BSE Broker Forum. Welcome one and all. BSE has worked for the wealth creation of retail investors ever since its inception in 1875 as the Native Share and Stock Broker Association. BSE, sir, is 10 years elder to Congress, Indian National Congress, and almost 60 years elder to Reserve Bank of India. The International Convention Hall, which is this, of BSE, has seen many developments of the Indian capital markets over past century and more. First as a trading ring for the brokers till the 90s, and then as a convention hall post-digitization of BSE. In past so many decades, the International Convention Hall of BSE has seen this development of capital markets, and BSE has also been organizing many bell-ringing ceremony in honor of the listing of companies and also in honor of the distinguished guests who come to BSE. So next time, sir, when you are in BSE, we would request you to also come in the morning and ring the bell to open the market. Brokers Forum is the association of the members of the BSE and is recognized by the BSE, SEBI and others. It was set up in 1993 as a society under the Societies Act 1860. The object of the association is to foster, encourage and spread the knowledge of trading, dealings and transactions in stock exchanges in connection with stocks, bonds, shares, debentures, obligations, securities, fixed deposits and so on and so forth. Over the years, it has been communicating with the government, regulators and others on the matters and issues related to stock markets. BSE Broker Forum's tie-up with the GIFT City is another step in the right direction, as it always works for the betterment of the broking community. Its decision of making GIFT City as another hub will also help Forum connect in the region. Many brokers have also planned to set up back office operations in this place. This will help create new employment for locals in the region. BSE is referred as Asia's first stock exchange. It became the fastest stock exchange in India by updating its technology platform to Bolt Plus. One of the key features of the system is the response time, which is around 200 microseconds. In 1 second, there are 10 lakh microseconds. So we give you a response at 1 by 5,000 of a second. By the time you close and open your eye, we give you at least 1 lakh orders anytime. We are faster than any other exchange in India, including NSE, by at least 10 times. In 1994, if you remain only on BSE, you became irrelevant because NSE was faster than BSE. And in our business, speed is the only essence. Our business, there is no second prize, there is only first prize. In our business, the first bird gets the worm, not the second bird. And for that, if the bird is getting information faster, then he is at an advantage. If the bird is able to execute faster, he is at an advantage. If you trade on a slower exchange, you are at a disadvantage. And that's why more and more people are coming to BSE now over the last 6 months since BSE changed its technology. Yesterday, BSE's derivatives volumes were higher than NSE. Over the last 4 working days, BSE was higher than NSE. In currency also, last year, November 30, we started, less than 1 year now. We have got around 35% market share. And our costs are substantially lower than NSE. Despite yesterday's discounts, first time NSE has blinked. In last 20 years, first time NSE has reduced price, right? And at least you have to be thankful to BSE for making NSE reduce the price. So my request is, if you want NSE to reduce further, at least trade more on BSE. Because when I started with this idea of GIFT City building, I had only one framework, that how do I benefit the brokers. But brokers have to also understand that if BSE is not there or BSE is not relevant, then you are also not relevant. Nobody is going to listen to you. So make BSE relevant by trading more. And in the process, you save money. See, many times, many of us think that when our elders die, they give us, in Gujarat, they give us pran, I will not drink alcohol or whatever. So many of us think that we have become so rich that when our elders died, they said that we have become so rich that now we have to work for the benefit of NSE. So now our entire life is dedicated to NSE's benefits. Because we trade and we have to pay more. In Google, you search, do you pay for it? Who pays for it? People who advertise there, right? Ours is the only business where you trade more and you are charged more, right? Why? It's because of short-sightedness. And the community has to figure out where its interest lies. So when I started GIFT City framework, I said that when brokers get together, first is they never get together. I am delighted that we have at least so many people here. Get together, have a vision which benefits you but also benefits the country. If exchanges don't work for the benefits of the nation, then those exchanges will become irrelevant. Only derivatives is a zero-sum game. If you cannot create capital, if you cannot create wealth, if you cannot create participation of masses, and only 10,000 people who trade every day again and again and again, that is not the purpose of a stock exchange. The world will pass us by if we don't understand this basic framework. Last 15 years, many exchanges have become for profit. Before that, they were not for profit. And today, exchanges have themselves become very profit oriented. And so for them, if it is not trading revenue, then they are not interested. But the society allows you to function in a particular market is only because we are adding value to the society by helping create wealth, by helping companies to do IPOs, create jobs. India needs to create 30 crore new jobs over the next 20 years. Every year we need to create 1.5 crore jobs. and it is not possible without participation of BSE. And it is not possible without participation of BSE brokers. So for me, it is very, very important all of us understand that you have to come back to BSE. This GIFT City framework is one of the ways to bring you back. I am delighted that all of you are back. And will continue to come and trade. It will cost you less. It will save you money. If you want to donate, you can still give a separate check to NSE, don't worry. Because many people think, no, my father had told me that I have to give 1 crore a month to NSE. Many of them are still giving, right? So please work on it and think. Coming to GIFT City, BSE has different plans, which I had told Honorable Prime Minister when he was Chief Minister of Gujarat and he had come here, and later on during our meetings, that why Singapore and Dubai developed is because India has been very, very, very restrictive on everything, whether it is capital control, whether it is gold imports, whether anything you need to do in India, it is very difficult to do. So that's why in East, we got Singapore as a smuggling center of gold, and in West, we got Dubai. And most of the gold started coming from 1950s and 60s through that route, and that's how these two cities grew. And then we have capital control, so they end up raising capital for our people and so on and so forth. If we can use ourselves, set up an international finance center, then we will be able to raise funds for not only our companies, but also companies worldwide. And for me, that is a vision where if you can create an international finance center where no Indian regulations apply, then you can compete, because the potential that is sitting here, the expertise that is sitting here in form of brokers and their employees, how they represent, is no worse than anywhere else in the world. Today, Indians are the best derivatives traders in New York, in London, in Japan. Even Japan, last time when I went, a lot of Indians were there as derivatives traders. In Singapore, Hong Kong, everywhere Indians are there, and you are amongst the best and the brightest we have. If we can do that outside, we can do also in international finance center. So sir, my request to you is that if you can create an true international finance center where facilities are there for people to come and work, but more importantly, the hassles of working in India is not there. At least if you can make a model